Another note on practice, you got to be very careful on advising people. We either you give a free consultation or a paid consultation, but you got to try your best to cut off there. I do have a policy where I give, in certain cases, a free like 15-minute follow chat they could do, but I close it off after that, and I never get into answering how to fill out a form because you're not the preparer on the application. Unless you're going to sign as a preparer, you should not do it because the client does something wrong and you're on record helping them on some portions of the firm and not fully explaining it. If something wrong happens, you're on the hook for that. So I had to, push back on clients, and sometimes it turns them off. But say, listen, you're getting into too much case legal advice. Either I'm the attorney on this and I'm doing myself or not, because you know there might be stuff they're not telling you, or you don't have the full picture, you don't give the full explanation, or they don't do it right. But the blame is going to come back to you, and you got to be very careful and protective of yourself in these kind of situations. And the way this came up we had a person who we were helping, and then they kept asking specific questions, and we said, we can't answer how to fill out this form. You're gonna have to hire us. And he got offended and wrote like in an email a bunch of negative stuff that you're all about money. You don't care about helping people. It's garbage like that. It's like, dude, we already spent like an hour extra helping you in general about what's going on and guiding you. It's very offensive. It gets annoying, but whatever, people do stuff like that, it's expected. But it's better to be safe than sorry. So try not to get yourself in that position. What we should have done in this case is cut it off sooner, because by helping continuously on general ideas, they got the expectation that this is just some kind of free service, like it's a charity, and they can keep asking for more. And some people just have a psychology aspect where they just take and take and take without any respect. So it is what it is, but just don't get yourself caught up in that situation.